From the top of 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. You see here AD is building and BE is cable tower, right? Okay. And usually you should understand that tower is more height than building. Okay. Now the building site is 7 meter. From the building, they're watching from the top of the building, they're watching the foot of the tower, right? So it's given as angle of depression is 45 degree, and you can take BC as your angle of sight. From there, it is making 45 degree to watch the foot of the tower, right? Then from the top of the building, again they are watching the top of the tower by making an angle 60 degree elevation, right? Elevation means upside, depression means downside, right? Okay. Now you see this DC is parallel to AB. This DC is parallel to AB, and you see this will make Z angle. So when it is 45, this will also 45. Okay. So that is what I am going to mark now. See, as I said already, uh, DC is parallel to AB and this is Z angle, so 45 degree I marked. Okay. Now what is that they are asking us to find height of the tower? They are asking us to find height of the tower. This is the tower, right? Okay. And if you take this is 7 meter, means this is also 7 meter because this will become a rectangle now, right? Opposite sides are equal. This is 7 meters. So I am going to take CE as X. Okay. Now I am going to take CE as X. And this, we have to find this Y also to find out X. This is also, I am making AB as Y. When AB is Y, CD will also Y because opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Now we are going to take first the triangle ADB. We are going to take the triangle ADB because there only we know one angle and one side we know and one unknown side is there, so we can find out another side. From this we have to substitute this unknown side here, then we have to find out X. Okay. Now what we are going to take is in triangle ADB, what is tan 45? Tan 45 equal to opposite by adjacent AD by AB, that is equal to 7 by Y. What is tan 45? 1. 1 equal to 7 by Y. Then what will be Y? Cross multiply Y equal to 7 meter. So I can take this Y as 7 meter here. Now in triangle CDE, tan 60 equal to opposite by adjacent CE by CD, that is equal to X by Y. What is tan 60? Root 3 equal to X by Y. X equal to Y root 3. And you already know the value of Y, 7, right? So I'm going to apply this Y equal to 7 in the second equation. So now what I will get? X equal to 7 root 3. Now height of the tower equal to height of the tower is, what is height of the tower? If you take height of the tower, this BC plus CE, BC is already how much? 7, right? 7 plus X. So BC plus CE, that is equal to 7 plus X, that is equal to 7 plus 7 root 3. We can take 7 out. 7 into 1 plus root 3 meter. Okay. If you want it in decimals, you have to apply the value of root 3, then you can find out it in decimal, right? So next problem, as observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. See here, AB is your lighthouse and C and D are the ships, and we have to find out the distance between C and D, right? Okay, and they are telling that the ships are found out in the angles of depression 30 degree and 45 degree. How to make 30 and 45? The smaller angle is 30 and the larger angle is 45. Okay, so you should remember that. Now we are going to see how we are going to solve the problem. See, you see, we can take this as AX is parallel to BD. AX is parallel to BD. Now you see, this XAD is making an Z angle with ADB, right? Okay. In the same way, XAC making an Z angle with ACB. So that is what I am going to mark. This will be what, a 30 degree, and this will be 45 degree, and you know that this is 90. So always you should remember that the angles will always be in the ascending order, 30, 45, 90, like that. Okay. Now we are going to solve the problem, right? Okay. Now what is that you are going to find out? CD you should find out. For that we should find out BC first, then only we can find out CD. And if you say first you should take ABC. First you should take ABC, where you know one angle and one side, known one side, one unknown side is there. First we have to find out this Y. Then we'll find out this X. Okay. Now here we are going to write in triangle ABC. So tan 45 equal to AB by BC, opposite by adjacent as usual, 75 by Y. What is tan 45? 1 equal to 75 by Y. Cross multiply Y equal to what you will get? 75 meter. Y equal to 75 meter. Now we are going to take in triangle ABD, tan 30 equal to, so you should know, visualize the triangle ABD now. You should know the triangle ABD, right? Tan 30 equal to 75 by this whole side BD, okay? So tan 30 equal to AB by BD. What is AB? 75 by BD is X plus Y. And you know what is tan 30? 1 by root 3 equal to 75 by X plus Y. And cross multiply this, you will get X plus Y equal to 75 root 3. X plus Y equal to 75 root 3. And you know this Y equal to 75 meter, apply it here, right? Apply Y from, this is 2. Now I am going to write from 1, I am going to write X plus 75 equal to 75 root 3. So what is X? x equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. Take 75 out. When you take 75 out, you will get root 3 minus 1. So this is the answer. You can multiply this also. 75 into 1.732 minus 1. So 75 into 0.732. You can multiply. 75 2s are 150, 15. 75 3s are 225. So 240, remainder 24. So 75 sevens are 525 plus 24, 549. Okay. So from the 54.9 meter is the answer. Is it clear? Yes. Thank you, ma.